today's episode, we are going to learn about designing a thumbnail banner for YouTube. Okay, basically, we all used to thought that making that type of banner is quite hard, but that is not hard as we have expected. Okay, so I will teach you about that. Let's search about the some basic thing related to finance. Okay, finance, finance. Then we'll get some videos here. Videos, if we include the photos, then it will be better. Okay, now just try to adjust this picture that fit on the screen. Then use black background. Okay, black background makes that image quite good and lucrative using this. Okay, showcase us about this. Okay, now here growth we need one GRE and green CIRCL is circle. Uh, and now green glue also. Now we need just one green glue here. Now just GRE and green up UP of CHART chart. Okay. Now just use this chart or using this chart also is effective. Now just make like this or make try to fully adjust on its scalable image also. Let's see. Okay. Now we have adjusted it like this. Okay. Now try to go over here, then try to minimize its transparency, then type some text here. Okay, how to make PROF profit in stocks. Okay, now let's see here. uh, okay, now we have made this, and if you want to change this color, try to make in golden also, golden or black also. This color also looks great. Okay, now see here, then try to make. Oh, yeah, it's a PPI happy, PERS in person. Try to adjust the graphics over here also. Let's see. Now we have one emoji here. Try to adjust this emoji on top like this. He is indicating that we are seeing the growth on our stock. Okay, now we will search about the stock also. Yes, TOC stocks. Stocks also. Let's see one basic. Hmm. Now shares also. Yes, share. No, we don't have this. Here we have one emoji. Now we will adjust this CIRCLE on circle. Now adjusting it on the circle is effective. Okay, now you can see here. We have adjusted it. Okay. Now up to just in a few minutes we can just in a 5 minute we can design a better thumbnail also. As you can see here. This is the best. Now we will add BULL, BUL, bull cartel means the very good bull here over here also. Now try to flip it. Okay. Now see the bull cartel is running over here, and just try to make it below forward. Okay. So here. Or move across like this. Okay. See how we have made the best thumbnail. Okay, hope all of you have understood about this. Have a great